Okay. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Today is Friday, I know, but I've decided we are going to do 3 videos all week going forward. All right, so for this video, I'm sorry if I'm looking down. I'm trying to open my NGL app, and NGL stands for Not Gonna Lie. Now, what this app does is that it allows your Instagram users or followers to ask you anonymous questions, or ask you questions anonymously. Is that the same thing? Yeah. So I posted my NGL link and I told my followers to ask me head-related questions. So that's what we are going to answer right now. I want to get through them as fast as possible because it was a lot of questions, like a lot of questions. So yeah, let's go. Let's start. Has anyone ever tried to feed you grapes like the goddess you are while someone else was going down on you? This one is going to be, unfortunately, a no. Now, for me, I've never had a male, female, male threesome. It's always been female, female, male. I always said that I feel like with if there's too many men in the situation, it's just too much sausage, too much to deal with, too much going on. I'm not sucking 2 dicks. I'm not taking 2 dicks. I'm not. It's just too much, right? But as I've gotten older and wiser and have been able to appreciate certain things in life, I would honestly see myself in a situation like this where one is feeding me grapes, one is giving me head, one is the whole thing, the whole interaction with 2 men. It would have to be completely me being pleased. 100%, me getting all the pleasure, me getting the head. If I get penetrated, it's nice and soft and gentle. It's very much romanticized in my head. Okay, I'm not slutting myself out to 2 men at one time. Like, 1 is enough. And I'm good with that. So if I was supposed to do 2, this is how it would be. But unfortunately, no, I've never had that. All right, next question. Would you ever give or receive in a public place? If you have, let's hear the deets. Spill the tea, sis. Okay, so in a public place, definitely have given, definitely have received. What I will say, given in a public place, given in a public place on the beach with a girl. Yes. It was a drunken night after the club. We were driving and we pulled over and we just ran on the sand and I gave her head. So that's that. Received, I received in a trunk of a car before, like a SUV type thing. Pop the trunk open, sit in the back, nom nom nom. Yeah, that wild times, my boy, wild times. So there have been other instances, but we'll leave you with just those 2 visuals. All right, next one. I think I'm only gonna do 5. All right, okay. Craziest places you've given or received. Okay, so this is like low-key the same question twice. Craziest places you've given or received. So I mentioned the beach, I mentioned the trunk, a stairwell, like, you know, staircase, but it was like an apartment complex, so it was like right there in the open. By a trash can. By a trash can, in the back seat while somebody else was driving. I think that's kind of crazy, you know, kind of wild. It's kind of fun. Craziest places, I don't know. That's all I can think of right now. I don't know. That's all I can think of. Whatever. Bye. Next question. How many you answered already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When do you think you have the? When do you think you? Gave. I think it was a typo. When do you think you gave the best head in your life? Top 3 times. This one, hard for me to answer. I can think back and be like, yo, yeah, I really, you know, I did that. I really ate that dick up. Or, you know, she was, yeah. Like, I've been told that I've been the best they've ever had. But to actually put into detail or pinpoint when that time was, I don't know. I don't know, because when I'm giving head, I'm not thinking, all right, this is going to be the best stuff. Like, no, I have to be in the moment, in the mood, and just going with the flow, and whatever happens, just happens. If it happens to be the best you've ever had, then babes, you're welcome. Okay? Okay. I do have a bunch more not gonna lie questions that I did not answer in this video, but I did answer on my Instagram. So follow me there at Kissyface, KISSYFVCE. I will probably post the link again so you can ask me more questions. But until then, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.